down. Or, let's see, yeah, just like that. Been doing okay?
Yes. Yeah. The hip is still hurting, but
Which one, the right or left?
the right one.
Okay. All right, just relax. And still working that hip flexor
Mm-hmm.
stuff too. Okay. You been working out?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it was nice and easy there. Okay, we'll lay this side up here facing me. So work on the L5. L5 was the big problem there. Okay, lay on your back, we'll lay face up. Okay, good. And check the neck then. Check this other side then. So everything's moving great today. Look to the left. There we go.
Ooh.
That will do it. So that should be good. That's